Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add subdomain in Squarespace. It's a very quick and easy process. All that you have to do is visit squarespace.com, and on this website, click on your icon on the navigation bar. After you are properly signed in here, under the account dashboard, go over to domains. Now you'll be able to see all of the domains that you want through Squarespace itself, and in order to add a subdomain, all that you have to do is click on transfer domain. You'll be redirected one more time to this page where you'll be able to enter your domain to get started. So in here, just enter the subdomain that you would like to manage through Squarespace. Now I'm just going to use a random example because sadly I don't have a domain attributed to me at the moment that I can transfer. But once you enter your specific domain, you'll be able to finish this process. So first, you have to input an authorization code here that you can acquire through your domain register, and once this is done, just confirm all of the other details. So you will have to look through the contact information here, and finally the address at the bottom. Once you include all of these details, then you'll be able to proceed and have this transfer completed. You'll add the domain from your original domain register through Squarespace in the form of subdomain, and you'll be able to see the total here and so on. Simple to do, and once it's transferred, you'll be able to manage the domain entirely through Squarespace itself. Consider what you want to use the subdomain for, and keep in mind that it might take some time for the DNS change to propagate, which means that it could take a few hours for the subdomain to work properly. But once this is done, it's going to appear under this domains tab on Squarespace. I hope I was able to help you. If I did, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.